Cove. 4810. All right, sorry guys, we're doing this at the end of the stay and not the beginning. So you walk in, you've got this little foyer area, nice full-length mirror, and we'll do a quick pan of the room. Got a closet right off to the left. Safe. It's pretty spacious, I guess, for just their standard suite. I'd say this is a king bed. Very familiar, very similar to like Venetian in Las Vegas. I must say that this bed was very surprisingly comfortable. Little desk area, coffee machine, comes with some K-cups, got a nice TV on the wall, watch TV while you're in bed, and then you walk down and you have this nice TV area, sitting area. This does fold out to a couch or to a bed, I believe. You've got a fridge, which is fantastic. I guess I'd never opened these, not sure what's in here. Oh, more drawers for clothes. I thought this was a nice little touch. They gave you a little beach bag that you can take out to the pools and the beach and whatnot. View, pretty decent. Nice, love having the patio. These doors are almost impossible to open, but once you do get them open, got a decent view from the balcony. Ocean. Comes with a little couple chairs and a little table so you can sit down and have your coffee and whatnot. The rooms are extremely quiet. I was very pleased with that. And then we'll go back here. We've got the bathroom. Bathrooms are pretty spacious also. You got a dual vanity. Mirrors all over the place. Separate water closet. Soaking tub. And showers. Decent size. I would say the water pressure is pretty bad. It takes forever to get the hot water, but eventually it does come. But there you go, Atlantis, the Cove. A couple things, just dated, needs some repairs. I mean, you got stuff, light fixtures kind of falling out of place. Just dated a little bit. They're due for some upgrades. They were doing some construction while we were here on some of the rooms, so I'm assuming that they're going and renovating some of these rooms. Like and subscribe. Thanks.